An unmatched query is a query you can create to find if there are fields that aren't matching between two tables, say before you combine them. So if I import some data here into a table, and I want to be able to combine the records in that table into another, I can do an unmatched query and see if the same field in both tables are not matched up. And if they aren't, then those are the records in table A that I need to append or add in table B without appending and adding all the records, because then if they are matched, that would be a duplicate. Or another example would be, for example, my products table. Double click, open that up, I have the product ID. In the order details table, I have the product ID every time that a product has been sold. You can see product ID 1, we sold that many times. What product's that? Okay, it's the Tiki Torch. What about these other products? I don't want to zip back and forth between the two tables going, okay, which ones have we not sold or aren't matching the product ID in this table to the product ID in that table. If I do the create unmatched query, whatever doesn't match, it'll list it as not being sold because it didn't find that or match that in the product ID field in the order details table. Okay, so to get started, come up here, click on the Create tab, go to the Queries group, click on the Query Wizard, and we want to find unmatched fields, or better yet, the wizard creates a query that finds records, rows in one table that have no related records in another table. Click OK. Which table or query contains the records you want in the query results? It's going to be the products table. Double click. And then which table or query contains the related records? If there are any, it's going to be the order details. Double click on that. Then it says which piece of information is in both tables? Well, it's the product ID. So that's where we're trying to find unmatched fields. So you can see by default it's selected the product ID in the products table, the product ID in the order details table. If it was something else, go ahead and select that. But once I've selected both of them here, click the unmatch button, and you can see by default it automatically found this and said, look, I'll just do it for you. Access says it's obvious to me it's the unmatched product ID in this table to the unproduct ID in the other table. Click Next, and it says which fields you want to see in your query results. Well, I want to see the product ID and the name of the product. I think that should be good for now to find out which products aren't being sold. Click Next, and then it says up here the name, the products table without matching the order details table. So it's finding all the products in the products table that aren't found in the order details table. Go ahead and click Finish. There it is, table products without matching order details. And those are the two products that we haven't sold yet that aren't found in the order details table. The hike boots and the cookery collection. Thanks for watching. Hey, as a quick reminder, if you like my video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also click on me and subscribe to my channel to get notified of the latest videos. And for great specials on my products, please see the description below this video.